Important occasion for most of the students across Pan India, not only for students, their parents and the teachers and the well-wishers as well. So on this occasion, I would like to share this happiness with all the people, those who are associated in this session at Mysore Akash Institute, such as our achievers, their parents, next friends, colleagues, and our non-academic staff members as well, and nonetheless print and electronic media as well as social influencers of this session. Now, without wasting this time further, I would like to speak about certain facts related to this celebration and why we people deserve this celebration also, just for the information. If you see the dynamics as well as stats of this session, the students who have registered for this NEET examination, NEET UG, approximately 23 lakh, means almost in the line of last year. But the number of students who have participated in this examination is nearly 20 lakhs, strictly speaking 19 lakh 95,000. So almost 20 lakh. So within this volume, I request you people to believe that this examination is not just for Mysore city, or otherwise it's not just for Karnataka. It's for all the states where aspirations are there, where they want to become medicos. So those volumes can speak about the aspirations related to this medical field. Within that, I would like to extend the information related to the courses as well as we can consider the degrees which will be awarded once after considering this NEET examination as a stepping stone or the base stone, the first step of these courses. Particularly, now I need to speak MBBS. We all know nowadays in India, as per the past 4 to 5 years rules, I am telling you this fact, no student can be able to get into medical college without qualifying through this NEET examination. When I said this medical college, it includes MBBS, BDS majorly. Apart from that, through this NEET examination, students are being provided with the chances to get into the colleges where Ayush courses are there. Whereas in case of Karnataka, we are considering this counseling through CET online counseling. Ayush courses in the sense Ayurvedic, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. And apart from this, for veterinary, BVSC, All India Quota veterinary seats are also under this NEET examination. They are coming under NEET examination. And nowadays we are using another word, that is Allied Health Sciences. The paramedical term has been removed. Allied Health Sciences, right from physiotherapy. For all those courses also, soon this NEET examination may become the mandatory examination, even though there are certain universities which are offering seats without the NEET at present, but soon they will become mandatory. For all those courses also, NEET may become mandatory in the coming days. Now, when I am speaking about these volumes, I request you people to remember the certain facts which I would like to keep in front of. Within top 10 All India ranks, this Akash Institute has secured 4 ranks, right from rank number 1, rank number 3, 7 as well as 8. In top 10, we have 4 students. In the same way, in top 50, we have 18. In top 100, 41 students are there. But I need to be cautious enough. Okay, while speaking to you all, while keeping the stats in front of me. Whenever I am speaking the volumes related to the number of candidates, I spoke about the All India results. But being a teacher as well as a senior assistant director in this division, I would like to tell you the information very promptly related to the achievements from each and every branch as well as each and every locality wherever the Akash Institute is showing its footprints in making the students excel in the academics through these kinds of